Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove the inside of a shape in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer. First of all, insert any shape. I insert the shape, press enter, then hold shift click and drag it and remove inside. Click pen tool or shape tool. Do not use fill and select only stroke. Select the stroke color. Increase the size for stroke. Okay, now we can see this remove the inside of a shape. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.